willingly or you are being sent. Ini biro kachuni piri kere kichwele chwala. Mero question. Ini porro moro kono le dit. Bere MP mi peje la road division. Ka ini porro kono. Kituan tinge ni meeting gang ke malo kwe midugu wa ping. Kekere wa rio kono. What is your next plan? Pian gini romo timeba. Ini romo porro. Chiloka ngoma ini pe wai gila dit malo kache. Unless you have a plan B for this thing. Pelo ten winner tata ten romo retio ba. Ipon tinge romo ma ini tia grooming. We're replacing him. Noni. We go to number 4. What do you want to do that you have never done, Mr. Nobert Mao? Are you trying to prepare for a new government or what? Iti yope mi gamente ma nyimbi pidugunini kerenyo ngo ke ko mate atime because we are failing to understand. One actually komkane we have learned. Pengero moro pieno chitimo jimine style. Your Matia Chungi, are they not worth to be MPs? Are they not worth Pegu Pore Le Penyan Mawero Yinibino La Dead Minister? Ayaro, why did you choose Pajelaro instead of La Yibi Ba Dege? Kway Gamilwake, Pingon Yer Pajelaro, Unyo, Pingono Paye Ba Dege La Yibi. Hello everyone, I'm Gino the champion as usual. I have some questions, 10 questions for our very own Nobert Mao. I'm Gino the champion, as I made mention. I have 10 questions that I will ask in Luo and I ask in English so that we all understand. I support NRM government 100%. These are the questions, not out of anger, not for anything, but we demand to know certain things from you as our honorable. I come from Pechela Road Division. That is why I'm interested in asking this question. Number one question that you should answer this one here. Did you come to contest willingly or you are being sent? Ini biro kachuni piri kere kichwele chwala. Mero question mi na wachie. Konywa igame wala penye nini. Mi na Mario. Are you trying to fight NRM flag bearer or you want to fight the one independent? Because recently you mentioned that you are not in NRM. Now, are you coming to fight the flag bearer? Machalo Tony Kitara, unyo kere bino ka fighting, matie independent, machalo Father Charles Nen, konywa igami wa enuni. Me adek, I mean. Who have you groomed to replace you? Ichako chung, ikare pa Walter Uchoharagi, John Chano Ichung. Who have you groomed to replace you? Tinge rumo ma yinitia grooming. We're replacing him. Noni. We go to number 4. Jo money eno magukatini. Father Charles Onen, Tony Guitar, Kenganga Gimagukatini. Are they not capable in your eyes? Why don't you give them support instead of coming to fight them? Answer that question. Number 5. What do you want to do that you have never done? What do you want to do that you have never done, Mr. Nobert Mao, in Pechela Road Division? Le penyi pe dega moti game waka ibe gamo. Le penyi mi nama bichiel pe le penyi maraj. Are you trying to prepare for a new government or what? Iti yope mi gamente ma nyimi pidugunini kere nyo ngo ke ko mati atime because we are failing to understand. One actually come we have learned. Pengero moro pieno chitimo jimine style tabni tungu ke wiwa ne ene kwano. No. Answer that question please. Number 7. Jo mati achungi, are they not worth to be MPs? Are they not worth pegu pore le penyen ma wero yini bieno la dead minister? Aya, la peny minama bor. Pingo yini yero. Why did you choose Pechelero instead of la yibi ba dege? Kwe gami lwake, pingo yini yer Pechelero unyo pingo no peye ba dege la yibi. Number 9. Jo magenti achungi, are they not educated to the level you think? Kere ina yede riek loyo from Gulu City, from ACHOLI, where at least being a team game. The last and very last question is saying,